How to turn on Vanish Mode on Instagram. Well, it's a very simple and a quick process, so let's get started. First thing first, head over to your application Instagram. Make sure that you're running the latest version of the app. Once you are in here, enter login credential and then log into your account. Once you have been logged in, now what you want to do is head over to your chat section at the top right corner of the screen. In this page, it will show you all the list of the inboxes that you have on Instagram. Now simply move into the inbox of the person that you want to enable the Vanish mode. Let's say I want to enable Vanish mode with this person. All you want to do is swipe up the screen in the conversation. And there you go, the Vanish mode has been enabled successfully. Now if you send any of the text in Vanish mode, then they will only be able to view it for once. If they go back from this conversation, then the message will disappear afterwards. This feature is updated for more security and privacy of the person. Now once again, if you swipe up, the Vanish mode will be turned off. So that's the end of the video. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next one.